Inside a dugout about 4 feet deep, this woman uses a calabash to scoop out brownish water that has settled at the bottom of the pit into a rusty metal bucket. She raises one calabash of the water towards my camera and bitterly laments, "Just look at this water. Even if you wash your clothes with this water, they won't be clean. Yet, this is water we human beings at Akania are drinking," she says. A little over 1,000 people live in this community in the Kassena-Nankana West District of the Upper East region. Access to clean drinking water here is non-existent. Even to get water from the dugouts is no walk in the park. The women sometimes have to fight among themselves over this brown and safe water. A small stream somewhere in the outskirts of the community used to provide water for about half of the dry season, which normally lasts between October and April. However, there were not enough rains in the just ended rainy season, and so the stream has already dried up.
When I don't get the water, I'll go far, the 15 kilometers, and get the water. The road is no good for us, and the robbers in there, and the rapist is there. Until I want to beg the government to help us.
The education of children here at Akania is adversely being affected by the lack of access to water in the community.
In this dry season, we don't get water so that we bath and so that we go to school. We don't even wash our clothes. If I want to wash, I wash on Sunday. Say, unless next week, Friday, so that I'll get water, so that I'll bath and I'll wash my clothes.
2 boreholes which were drilled for the community in 2012 have been sealed due to high fluoride content in the water, which made it unsafe for consumption. WaterAid Ghana has been working here at Akania for 2 years now, but their efforts to help provide the community with clean drinking water have not yet been successful due to the high fluoride deposits in the area. Dr. Chaka Uzondu is policy manager at WaterAid.
We are trying to reach everyone, everywhere, with access to safe water, sanitation, and hygiene. In Akania, there are around 430 people. There are 4 neighboring communities, and the total population is around 1,045. Every single one of those persons has a right to safe water and sanitation. Now, we have a big challenge of fluoride, and I think we need leadership at the very highest level to engage this challenge. Now, we know assemblies have limited resources to tackle this, so what with WaterAid are posing is that there need to be perhaps greater allocation of resources to assemblies with peculiar challenges such as Bongo and Kassena-Nankana West, where we're seeing, and we know there exists very high levels of fluoride in the water. That's one. Now, this also raises a larger issue about how resources to metropolitan